Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to level up your Steam account. Note that this cannot be done for free, but I will be showing you a fair and the safest way to do it. As you can see, I have a Steam account that is only level 7, and for each card set or a badge that you craft, you basically get 100 XP, which increases your Steam level. These card sets you can get from paid games by playing the game or just simply buying all of it. If you guys would like to understand more of how the Steam level up system work, feel free to let me know in the comments and I'll create a video on it. To buy the sets of cards, you simply have to add this Steam bot. The link will be given in the description right below. It will send you a text right away. Now to start, I do have 9 TF2 keys ready that I will be trading in exchange for the cards. Now to know how many level I can get with 9 TF2 keys, I simply have to put in the command !check TF and the amount of keys that you want to check for, which is 9 for me, so I'll do that. And the bot will let you know how many levels you'll be getting for that amount of keys. For me, it's level 35 from level 7. Now there are many more commands that you can use. If you would like to get to a certain level and you want to know how many keys you would need for that, you can try !level and just simply put in the level that you want. To check availability for the cards, you can simply do !check. That will tell you how many sets of cards they have available to trade. Also, !prices will show you the rates of the keys. And to finally buy, you can do !buy TF and the amount of keys that you have. For me, I have 9 keys, so that's what I'll do. And right away, it will send you a trade offer for the cards. Now in here, you can count it to verify how many sets you'll get, but you will always get the right amount and the bot will never make a mistake. Once you have the trade offer, simply go into trade and accept the trade. You will also need to accept and confirm it from your Steam mobile authenticator, and once you've done that, all the cards will be appearing in your inventory. You can go to the badges page and start crafting all the sets that you got. This will be a long process, so I'll fast forward the video real quick. After you've crafted all the cards, you should have a bunch of emoticons and items from the games. At the same time, most importantly, the level that you wanted. As you can see, my level is 35 already, and that's exactly what we wanted. This is basically how you can level up your Steam account safely, and if you do have any other questions, feel free to join the Discord. They provide many more services like Steam region change and stuff like that, so I do recommend you to check that out as well. Thanks so much for watching. I do feel like making Steam related videos again, so hopefully you will be seeing more of it very soon. That's it for the video, and I'll see you guys again in the next video. Peace.